Hello, everyone. This is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to store it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so, if you're catching this video, because we're at day 2 on how to stay on top of your finances in 2020. And so, you guys, if you have not had an opportunity to watch day 1, I will put the link down in the description box so you can go ahead and watch that. And so, before we dive in, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want to make sure that you hit that bell notification so you know when I upload day 3 on how to stay on top of your finances in 2020. And so today episode, we're going to talk about you have to create a financial board of directors, and what are they and what are their responsibilities. And so I just listed 5. You can have more than 5, and there's not in any certain order, but it's something that you need to have in place if you want to stay on top of your finances in 2020. So the first person that you would need, right? Again, this is not going in any order. I'm just throwing them out there. Number 1 is a financial coach like me. And so I'm a financial coach and I sell freedom. Well, what that means is I sell freedom to make sure that you have financial freedoms. And so I help you with your money mindset. I help you with budgeting. I help you with destroying those debt monkeys off your back. I help you reach your financial goals. So the first person that you need is a financial coach, especially if you're like, man, I'm so overwhelmed with my finances and I'm living paycheck to paycheck. I don't have any savings. And then you definitely want a financial coach on your financial board of directors to help you get unstuck. Number 2 is you need an accountability partner. And so a financial coach can be also an accountability partner. But in this episode, I want to talk about accountability partner that is within your circle, right? Because you can tell me one thing, but behind closed doors is something different. And so you need an accountability partner. Somebody who's not afraid to call you out in love when they see you going against your financial goals. And so, for example, if you tell that accountability partner that I'm trying to save money, but they catch you at Walmart, they're going to call you out in love and say, you know what, I thought you were saving, or are you shopping? And so not to just demean them, but just, hey, just hold them accountability and say, hey, I'm helping you to stay on track. So you definitely want to get somebody who's responsible. And so somebody who is really living a lifestyle that you want to attain is somebody who's responsible and just making sure that you stay on track and they want to see you win. Number 3, you need a mentor. So a mentor is, to help you provide guidance, motivation, emotional support, a role model, just to help you set goals, because a mentor can help you set your life goals. And then here I am, a financial coach will help you support those life goals with your finances. And then accountability partner will help you stay on track when I'm not available, right? And number 4 is you need a financial advisor. And so there's a difference between a financial coach and a financial advisor. So I'm going to keep it really simple. A financial coach like myself will help you with a money mindset to help you budget, destroy those debt monkeys, and also help you reach your financial goal. Well, a financial advisor help you with long-term investments and retirement, and really set you up for when you're in your retirement and, stocks and bonds and things like that. So as a financial coach, I will help you save more so that you can invest. And so you definitely want to have a financial advisor on your board of directors, right? And number 5 is you need a spiritual advisor, right? So it could be your pastor, it could be a minister, evangelist, a deacon, a church member, but you want a spiritual advisor so they can teach you the word of God. And so they can teach you, what did God say about your finances? And I use an example. If you came in as $5, how can God bless you with $50? And so you definitely want a spiritual advisor to help you, help you learn, what did God say about your finances? And so, again, those was 5 financial board of directors that you need to stay on top of your finances in 2020. Again, number 1 is a financial coach, accountability partner, a mentor, a financial advisor, and a spiritual advisor. And so, you guys, stay tuned. Comment down below. Let me know, hey, is this working for you? We're on day 2. Don't forget to catch the link as well if you missed day 1. And I will be back tomorrow with day 3 on how to stay on top of your finances in 2020. Talk to you guys later.